Pandas for Finance. Episode 11. Rolling Windows. Moving averages, Bollinger Bands, rolling volatility, and the drawdown calculation every backtest needs. A rolling window walks n rows at a time, applying a function. Rolling50.mean is the 50-day moving average. Rolling20.std is the 20-day rolling standard deviation. Bollinger Bands are the mean plus or minus 2 times the rolling STD. Annualized volatility is rolling STD times the square root of 252. An expanding max gives the running peak combined with a wealth curve that's drawdown. Open nvim. Display width. Max columns. Float format. Read parquet. Filter to Apple. Set date as the index. And a return column from PCT change. 50 and 200-day moving averages. Rolling50.mean for MA50. 200 for MA200. The classic golden cross pair. Bollinger Bands. 20-day rolling mean for the middle. 20-day rolling STD times 2 for the bandwidth. Lower equals mean minus 2 sigma. Upper equals mean plus 2 sigma. Thirty-day annualized volatility. Rolling STD on returns, times the square root of 252 trading days, mapped to percent for readability. Drawdown. Wealth curve from cumulative returns. Peak from expanding max. Drawdown is wealth divided by peak minus 1. Min and IDX min give you the worst day. Save and run. Moving averages. Apple in the 270s. MA50 catching up at 272. MA200 still climbing. Bollinger Bands. Close inside the band. Lower 268, upper 285. Volatility around 14% annualized. Drawdown. Minus 38% on January 3, 2019. Three things. Rolling windows. Rolling n takes the last n rows. Mean or std gives the rolling stat. Cornerstone of every technical indicator. Bollinger Bands are mean plus or minus 2 times rolling STD. Annualized volume is rolling STD times square root of 252. Expanding windows for cumulative max. Wealth divided by running peak. Minus 1. That's drawdown. That was rolling windows, moving averages, Bollinger, volume, drawdown. Episode 12. Cleaning ugly data. Missing values, gaps, dirty types. The part of finance work nobody puts on slides.